Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Squarespace for stunning UI templates, full guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Squarespace, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.squarespace.com and press enter. Once the Squarespace homepage has loaded, look for the Get Started button. Click on Get Started to proceed to the registration page. You will now see options for different templates under Start with a template. Browse through the stunning UI templates and select one that fits your vision. After selecting a template, click on the Start with Template Name button. A sign-up form will appear on the right side of the page. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. You can also sign up using your Google account for quicker access. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button at the bottom. Squarespace may prompt you to choose between personal or business use. Select the option that best describes your needs and continue. Once you select your preference, you will be taken to the Site Settings page. Enter your website title and, if prompted, a business description. Next, choose your domain. You can opt for a free .squarespace.com domain or use a custom domain. If you choose to create a custom domain, follow the prompts to purchase one. Once your domain name is set, you may be asked to select a plan. Review the available plans to find one that suits your requirements. After selecting a plan, click on Continue to move forward. You may now be asked to input your payment details if you've chosen a paid plan. Fill in the necessary payment information and click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly after completing your registration. Check your email and follow any verification links provided by Squarespace. Finally, log into your new Squarespace account to start customizing your site. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the available tools. You are now ready to create a stunning website using Squarespace templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.